Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try to attempt to fix the subframe. So if you can see, the subframe has a big hole again. So we're gonna redo that all again. And on the other side, I'm just gonna re-weld everything. So I'm just gonna make it a little bit stronger that it can hold. So yeah, let's do it. So this side is done. So I tried to weld it all around, but at some places I can't. So now I need to paint it and then do the other side. Just do some little welds there, and then hopefully it's done. So I wasn't recording, but the other plate is also done. So now I can cool it off and then paint it again. And that side I'm gonna paint now. So yeah. So now I'm gonna try to re-weld something right here. So normally you have like a checking point right here, but mine is gone with all the rust. So I'm gonna try to weld this plate right there, and then maybe to weld a piece on this, and then make it like a new checkpoint. So hopefully this works. Yeah. So I did my best. So this plate is in. So now I need to make a checking point, new one. So I need to have a small piece and then weld it to this, and then yeah, we got a new checkpoint for this side. So yeah, so I got this piece. So now I'm gonna try to weld it right here, and then we have a new checkpoint, and then also like paint it and all of that. So yeah, hopefully this works. So as you can see, I painted everything. So yeah, this one is done, and hopefully she can hold. It's not a beautiful. This piece right here, the block is like welded good in my opinion, but the plate is not that good, so hopefully the plate will hold. So yeah, that's it for today, and see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna install, or try to install, a show shifter. So I have right here a you don't believe it, but a AliExpress show shifter, and we're gonna install that.